Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I finished up this room. Trying to make it a little bit cleaner. Some people on YouTube will unfollow you, unsubscribe if your work isn't up to their standard, so we lost one, but that's okay. Not worried about it, but thanks for all those who keep coming back daily. So leaving early today. I don't know where that box is going. That's about the only thing not done, I think, in here. Anyways, I want to say thanks for the support, and thanks for coming back each day. Appreciate it. Let me know what you think about the time lapses. They were fun to make. I do think that the time lapse videos are cooler than just me talking about stuff like this. But the only problem with time lapses is that it takes like 4 to 8 hours to render all the video, and then to speed it up takes like 5 minutes, and editing takes like 5 minutes, so that's not a problem. But just putting it all on my computer takes like 6 hours, or 4 to 8 hours to render it or whatever. So that's the only part. So if you guys don't mind waiting for better quality videos or time-lapse videos, then by all means I can do that for you instead of doing stuff like this. But let me know what you think. Hopefully my phone doesn't get too cold and shut off. It's a pretty cold day today. But so I finished this room, and then I just hopped over to this room over here and started working on this. And but I just wanted to say I've been really blessed. Working at this company has been really great. So before I forget, so if you're watching this video, I forgot who left the comment, but you wanted to know how to find a company that buys you tools. Basically, you just have to ask them when you get hired or whatever, before you get hired or at the interview or whatever, just what their take is on tools, or buying tools or replacing tools if they break or whatever for you. So anyways, that's all I have to say about that. And then I've been blessed at working at this company. The boss took us out to lunch yesterday for like 2 hours, a little over 2 hours, and we just counted the normal 30-minute lunch break, so got paid to have a nice lunch and paid for that. So anyways, about to wrap this up, but so anyways, got the tools or whatever, got the new drill set or whatever, and the 6-foot ladder that I wanted. Got a Christmas bonus at the lunch yesterday that my boss also paid for, so just really happy working here. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for stopping by. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. Thanks for stopping by. I'm gonna be taking off Monday and Tuesday, so I'll see you guys on Wednesday, if not before then, if I don't make another video in the meantime about something else. So thanks for stopping by, guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Please like if you enjoyed it, subscribe, leave a comment if you got something to say. Catch you in the next one. Peace.